That'll do.
Welcome back to the channel, and this time we are here in Hanmer Springs, and as the name suggests, it's hot springs. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to head off up there, get into the hot springs, have a nice relax after a long drive, and then tomorrow we're going to be going on the jet boat, which is super exciting. All right, let's get on with it. We're just going to go and get checked in and hit the river. Not only do they do the jet boating, but they also do these little 3-seat buggies and 2-seat quad bikes, and they also do rafting. So we've had our safety briefing, we've got our life jackets, and now you've got to just come down this very steep hill holding onto the rope, and we will get on board and whiz off down the river. All aboard, mans.
When I do this, we signal, hold on nice and tight because I'm going to throw the boat into a spin. Alright, all good?
I can tell you like that, man.
Alrighty, so this is as far as we come upstream. So what we're going to do from here is flick back round, head back downstream. Our last final spin, I'll throw it in a little bit faster. Alright, so hold on nice and tight. Alright.
Chris, wasn't it?
Chris it is,
yeah.
Yep.
Thanks, Chris.
No worries.
Well, I would say that goes at about 160 miles an hour. Oh my God, that was awesome. The only thing now is we've got to walk all the way up here, and it's steep. Off you go, mans. So what did you reckon to that, man?
Oh, that was amazing. It was more fun than last time.
I know, absolutely fantastic.
You've got to do it. If you come to Hanmer Springs, New Zealand, you've got to do the jet boat ride. It is really, really good.
you go, that brings us to the end of this part of our little mini series here in New Zealand. We will be moving on to Christchurch next. Wow, I just absolutely love this place. So without much further ado, I'm just going to say our usual outro. If you do like what we do, please give us a big fat thumbs up and consider subscribing. We would love to have you along for the journey. And with that, we will go straight to the outro.